Okay, so what are the costs between setting this up, like building this and getting this set up, and shopping? Why should I grow anything when I go to the shops? And the costs involved with that, and that is a brilliant question. Well, I'm just going to start it off by one thing. If you have, just hypothetically, if you have this growing out here and you've got your herbs and your spinach or your lettuce and stuff like that, and you're wanting to make the kids some lunch, you can come straight out into your backyard and get it. Or you go, I don't have anything in the house. Come on kids, we're going to have to go to the shop to get something for lunch. How hard is that to get the kids ready to go to the shops, then into the car, then to the shops, then at the shops, then home, then make lunch? Just do you think to yourself how hard that is? To me, that's kind of like herding cats. It's like it's an impossible thing to do. That just you can do it, but the stress. Did that answer the question? I hope so, because that's an awful lot there. And it's your choice whether you can do this or not, obviously. But I'm going to throw something else at you. What are the costs of things at the shops right now? For a bunch of herbs, what, $3 to $4 for one bunch of herbs? Yeah, pretty much. Spinach, lettuce. How much per kilo is that? Now, this is I got a couple of packets of seeds here. It cost me about $3 a packet of seeds, and I've actually torn off where it says how many seeds are in here. That's why I'm going, fuel. Okay, there's at least 150 seeds that are tiny in here. 150 seeds that'll produce, each seed will produce one nice big bushel of coriander. Great. Okay, let's just say $4. Let's say it's the same as the full one, but it's got to grow. Yeah, it's got to grow. But I don't have to try to get the kids in the car. I don't have to try to deal with them at the supermarket. The cost. Now, I'm not recommending any brands here, but the cost of buying your seeds that you can put straight into here, or you can grow them separately. You don't have to worry about the petrol to get your kids somewhere. You don't have to worry about the time to get them somewhere. How long does it take to do a shopping trip? What if you're just needing one or two things? And what if you had it just here, just outside the back door? Well, to me, the cost that's worth it. And the ongoing cost of the seeds, well, as I said, that felt like a good 150 in there. I looked off where it said how many's in the packet. Silly candy. The spring onions doesn't have 150 in there, but I would say that's probably about 100. And pretty much the same price. And everything that we grow, that can be done with seeds too. So you can hear that's the siphon running. And keeping in mind the camera is very close, less than a metre away, and you're hearing that, but I can't hear this inside. I hear the door's open. So costs, yeah, I think that it's worth it.